Okay, one full tank of fuel, and it's cold this morning. Going to do some training. I just thought I'd just see how she fires up. I have two remote controls. One for that one, which we have in the big garage, but not been using it much, to be honest with you. And then we've got this one. So all you do on this one, it's just got a single unlock or lock. So you just go unlock. Let's see what happens. Nothing. And do you know why? Not plugged it in. Give me a second. It does help if you have a bit of power. No, the wires aren't messy. That's just speaker wires just left there from our discotheque when the lads are training. But they don't train very often now because of COVID. We've just banned everybody. So just me and my lad. Right. Is that it? There we go. On my system I have an isolation switch which I fitted. That goes on, and if we look down there we should have a light now coming on. So I've got a transformer going to mine if anybody's interested. I've done videos on this before, but I just thought I'd do you a bit of an update. Yeah, so I've got a transformer. It doesn't get hot in there at all. Well, a little bit, but nothing to harm it. It's been like that for 2 years or more than that. Yeah, actually a lot more than that. Okay, let's give it another go. So unlock. Now I've got a new one which I've just fitted in the van, and that seems to kick up quite quickly. You know, the pump starts acting and starts pumping straight away. This one, it's always been a bit slow, but I'm not complaining because it's always worked. I think it's coming on 3 years, 4 years, 4 years could be. There's a date on the actual pump. Let's have a quick look. There is a date on here where that corresponds with the year manufacturer. 18. Is that the month, the 8th, the 18th, the 18 year, 18, 19, 20, 21, the 22 coming up soon, won't it? So, I've got spares in it, which I keep, which is the, I've only had to replace one of them, which is your heater plug. They were quite expensive to get down, they were quite hard to get hold of at one point. And that is I've never had a chance, I took that out, and when you take this out, you can put there's a video I've shown you doing that. You can put a big thread bolt in it and pull the, it's kind of what it's called now. Anyway, stops all the rubbish going through onto the jet. So there we go. This is not very good. This for some reason it's very poorly lit. You can see it, but not brilliant. Alright, let's see how hot she gets. So I don't know if anybody knows, but I've just fitted a new. Well, I don't know if anybody knows. You don't know yet because I haven't told you. I fit another one of these in the van. Hear that? And I found out with these that they have to get up to full speed and full temperature. This is just my thinking. I might be wrong here. And then they shut themselves down to the temperature that you preset them at. In the van it does exactly the same thing. It reaches its temperature, then it drops itself down, and on that it's measured in Hertz. On this one it's measured in Fahrenheit. And then what I might do is fire this other one behind me up, just get a battery and see how she runs. I might do that now actually. If anybody's wondering, no, I'm not choking to death of fumes. Down the back there, right. Show you a little light on the matter. Right. That's why you take this white stuff behind the thing. You don't want to know that. Here we go, it's getting lovely warm. Oh, beautiful. I'll let that warm up, do some training. And then afterwards we might fire at the other one, see how that runs away as well. Feel the warmth. Someone left me a comment once saying, why did you build it in a tool chest? Or because I wanted to. Well, you could have bought it already made. Well, yeah, but anybody could do that. That's boring. I wanted to have a go at making one. I even fitted this on the side to hold the fuel tank, which is this one here. But we found it easier to put a 10 litre, which I'll probably do in the van as well, because the spout comes to the side. In the van I'm going to put it by the sliding door, so I can just fill straight into that. It'll all be done secure and sealed nicely. And there we go, that's what we're up to on temperature. It's not pretty good, the clocks. Not that good. You can see that. This is 34, I think. Which is full power. Okay, we're going to give it a couple of minutes, close the door, come back and do some training. I'll tell you what it's like when I get back in here. Okay, let's grab this one. This is the beauty of these. Watch this, ready? Totally light, portable. This is a 5 kilowatt, that's a 2 kilowatt, and the one in the van's a 2 kilowatt. So a totally portable heater. Okay, this one's not been fired up for over a year. Ooh, a bit of a clip missing out of that. Well, let's see what happens. They're not the best crocodile clippers. Oh, well, there we go. We have life. I'm going to pop an extension exhaust on, just to be safe. I don't want any complaints. There we go. And now, using the other remote control, which is got that many remote controls. This one now. Okay, now there should be diesel in it. I've not emptied it, so this is the remote control. Can you see that? And this one also, you can control the temperature plus and minus on it. Anyway. Come on, focus. Here we go. I'm going to try and get a bit closer for you so you can see what's going on. You know, she's firing up like the other one. You can see the front of the little bit there, the fan spinning. A bit closer on that. Come on. Ooh, she's jumping about there in this camera. Oof, hold on. Okay, pump's just kicked in. Out of the way, chickie, you're gonna get roasted. Roast chicken. That's not funny, she's a pet. Out you go, mate. No, that way. Out, go. I'll show you what you have to put up with the most inquisitive creatures going. Look at this. Okay, so that's just kicked up a notch. Bring you back when she's up to full speed. But you can see the digits down below. They tell you what the temperature are. You probably know this anyway. Oh man, it gets hot. I smell a bit of burnt gases now coming back in because I got the door open, of course. I'm not worried about that. They're very reliable. I've got to admit, I think they are. I don't know what the other ones are, what they're like. When I bought this, I bought the rubber feet on the bottom as extras. Okay, and don't forget your battery's got to be pretty well topped up to run, not to run them, but to keep them constant, because you don't want them to shut down without going through the cooling process. Okay, that's it. Let's go and check the other room and see how warm she is. Put the weight behind. Oh my gum! Roasty toasty in here. They work so well. So there you go. A quick update on these diesel heaters. That's probably about 4 years old. The one out there is over 12 months old, and the one in the van is a virtually new one. And I don't think I've had, touch wood, one fail yet, except for the heater plug. And that's it really. Okay, hit this in a minute, come back in 2 seconds, shut down the other one. So it's a bit messy in here. I'm doing a bit of a van conversion at the moment on the other videos. If you'd like to check them out, that would be great. This is on 3, so that must be Hertz 3 then. 16 centigrade, yeah, but that goes up to 6. Alright, just by pressing the plus and minus. Ooh, smell that. Right, plus 4, 5, and I think it's 6. If you press it one more, it'll go back to nothing. But you see the heater gauge gone up as well. Oh, that's hot. This is a 5 kilowatt, so it drinks the fuel a little bit more than the 2 kilowatt. I find the 2 kilowatt in my van is ample, absolutely ample. Alright, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. Subscribe button is just on the right there, and that would be great. Well, check me out, check out the other videos, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best. This is what am I going to call this? Diesel heater update, 4 years. Take care, bye!